Before Liam Rosina actually takes charge of Chelsea, he has a problem that he needs to fix now. And I mean, this is the problem that actually a lot of people talk about when they were talking about asking Enzo Maresca if there's anything that he needs to do to make sure that he fixed the discipline of the team, because they've been getting yellow cards, red card like it's just Christmas party. And in the game that they play against Fulham, Cucurella got the red card, and then they were players 10 men, and they ended up losing that game, even though they equalized with Liam Delap, which actually was playing very well in that game, and they ended up equalizing, but they ended up losing with a nice strike from Wilson. So now, I'm thinking, as Liam Rosina been looking at maybe a history of the Chelsea this season and thinking about the discipline. Even yesterday when Cucurella got out, 3 players, they actually got yellow card for no reason, which I think is a problem for him going into this team. He needs to make sure that he tells the guy, at some point, there is no need for you guys to talk to the referee. There is no need for you guys to be around the referee. Once the referee made the decision, there is nothing you can do to change it. So I don't think it's necessary for you guys to be around the referee. So I think he needs to make sure that he instills that to the players, because I don't think Chelsea will be able to win anything or pick up any momentum if they keep on losing players like this. I mean, it was a bad look for the team. Even though they were not actually playing well, the game was just nice, the way they were pressing so high and all this thing. But now, once they got red card, it was hard for the Chelsea actually to able to do the tactics that they have. And I felt sorry for Callum McFarlane. He did a great job as an interim coach. So I think yesterday he wasn't going to lose the game. I was definitely sure of that. He wasn't going to lose the game the way he was playing as well. And I like the style of Chelsea, like coming up with all the energy yesterday, making sure that they are ready to take on the game. But then we're going to see when Liam Rosina takes charge of the game in the FA Cup against Charlton. But that's not the game I think everyone is looking forward to. The game that is actually going to give him like a proper test will be the semi-final first leg of the Carabao Cup against Arsenal on Tuesday. That will be the game that everyone will be like, okay, now you can show us what you have, what you're going to bring into the Chelsea team. So I think he has like a great big job before he even starts in the actually Chelsea colours. So we wish him all the best. We're going to be around and seeing what he's going to do, and we'll deliver some of the critics, some of the good things that we'll be doing here on the channel. And then you can subscribe, making sure that you don't miss the content when we're delivering some of the progress that is going to have in the Chelsea colours. And I'll see you on the next one.